Hey guys, this is Arshdeep here, and by the title you might have guessed that I am building a custom PC, and it's my first time ever I am building a PC. So I'm doing this vlog style video and I'm not using my DSLR to record this, and I'm using the OnePlus 3 to record the video and audio, so it might not sound or look great. But let's do this and start building the custom PC. So guys, it took me about 4.5 or 5 hours to build this PC, and actually it's not fully complete yet. There's still one part missing, and if you can guess which part it is, you can go to the comment section down below and comment what do you think which part is missing. Actually it hasn't arrived yet. It hasn't got delivered to me yet, and I'm waiting for it. But today I had some time, so I decided to just continue and build the PC, and I'll wait for that part, and when that arrives, I'll install that inside. So guys, the component which I was saying is missing has arrived. Now I'm going to show you what's inside, and if you have guessed the component right, then good. Otherwise you will know what I have ordered or what component was missing. So let's open this up. That's the component I was talking about. It's the MSI GTX 1060 graphic card. This was missing. I mean, by the time I was building, it was not there. It got shipped from the US, so it took some time. Now let me just open this up. thank you for choosing a MSI product. Well, you're welcome. And here is the graphic card. I'm feeling very excited. I'm a little bit nervous too. So the graphic card is now installed, and I'll test this and see if it works or not. And for behind the scenes stuff, you can check out my social media links. The links will be given down in the description. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and till next time, this is Arshdeep here, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.